To get started, I just added a video clip to my timeline that I had like to add a rounded corners effect to. First, let's begin by right-clicking inside the project panel and go to New Item Color Matte. The default setting should already match your timeline, so go ahead and hit OK. In here, select the color you'd like for your background. Give your color matte a name if you want. I will just use the default. Now drag your video clip up one track on the timeline, and then drag your color matte from the project panel under the track below it. And I'll just drag my color matte clip's end to extend this duration to match the video clip. Now make sure your video clip on the timeline is selected and over in Effect Controls decrease its scale so that you can see your color matte behind it. Next, go over to the Effects panel and type Roughen Edges into the search box. Drag the Roughen Edges effect onto your top video clip on the timeline. Now over in Effect Controls, you'll see your Roughen Edges effect. First, use this drop-down to set the edge type to cut. Then increase the border to 500. Below that, increase the edge sharpness to 10. And finally, decrease the fractal influence to 0. To round out your corners, keep in mind that when you play back the preview, the corners will look weird and angular, but when you export it, it'll look curved and normal. So don't worry about it. That's it for this tutorial. Make sure to comment down below and support PC tutorials. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.